Welcome to the YouTube channel of Snelata Shrivastava, XSG Lok Sabha. In continuation of my previous video, in this video I am going to tell you about the division done by automatic vote recorder, which is called AVR, and it has actually facilitated this process of division, and it is done in a quick manner, and members also feel it that the process has been simplified. Uh, um, in the parliament, on the desk of every member of the house, there are buttons given, four buttons given, and red button is for nose, and green button for eyes, and yellow button for abstain, and the button uh, the member has to cast a vote pressing two buttons at a time, one white button and one green if he has to say yes for the motion, or red button if he has to say no for the motion, and if he wants to abstain, then yellow button on the desk. Why both the hands need to be involved at the time of voting? uh, because uh, nobody can press the button of the other person sitting adjacent to him or her. So it's a very fair process, and I have seen it myself, that the voting done uh, in a very unbiased and smooth manner. Mm, um, and then after the members cast their vote, it is displayed on the board where the member themselves can see whether his vote is correct or not. Suppose he has pressed the by mistake red button, and he wanted to push green button, then he can actually bring it to the notice before the result is announced. He has to bring it to the notice of the honorable speaker, and the speaker allows the members to cast his vote through slips, and only after all this is done, the result is announced, the ayes, nose, and abstain, and total votes at the time of division. Suppose a member is sick, and he has been brought on stretcher, is really very sick. In that case, he is allowed to remain in a lobby, and the speaker allows that particular member to vote through slip. So for the division, for any motion to succeed is a very important part of democracy, and everyone is given the chance to vote. And in case any member raises the objection, then he can raise the objection before the result is announced, because after the results are announced, the chair has no power to reopen it. But if they raise the issue, then it is inquired by immediately the table office, and then accordingly the vote is either taken as cast, or rightly cast, or wrongly cast, etc. So it is a very interesting process. Thank you.